I am learning English language for a long time, but I'm not achieving fluency. Whenever I try to speak English language, I forget. I don't know what to speak, what not to speak. How to speak English language? How to achieve fluency? Whenever I try to speak English language fluently, I just stuck. I face many problems while speaking. So hello and thank you for joining this video. Today we are going to share some of the things about fluency. You know what happens in our initial days when we are beginner, when we try to speak English language, we learn English language, we try to speak English language, but we face many problems and we are unable to speak in our initial days. And many people who think that I think I'm not good at English, and in their initial days they become something like impatient, you know. Yes, and they think that I should speak English language just after learning sentences. I should speak English language fluently, and they become like impatient. And just because of this impatience, they just break their consistency when they see the change in their English language. Like whenever I'm trying to speak, whenever I am trying to speak English language, I am not able to speak fluently, and I am making many mistakes. So what to do? How to speak English language? How to achieve fluency? And they think a lot of things in their minds, you know, and they just they become impatient. Then they think that I guess I am not good at English, and they quit, isn't it? It happens to many people, you know. When we start speaking, when we start learning English language and we are not achieving fluency, there are many people who have been speaking English language for a long time, you know, but they are not achieving fluency. But my friend, I would say one thing. If you are someone who is speaking English language, who is trying to achieve fluency in English but not achieving fluency and facing rejections again and again, so my friend, don't worry about it. Don't worry. Just you need to follow some important methods. Just because of wrong methods we are facing problems while speaking English language. Just because of wrong methods we just forget the vocabularies, we just forget the words, we just forget how to speak English language, you know. So my friend, I just want to say one thing. If you are learning English language and not achieving the fluency, so don't worry about it and don't be impatient. First of all, okay, don't be impatient. Just try to speak every single day. Don't break the consistency. And now I'm going to share with you how actually you can check how can you achieve your fluency in English language, and how can you speak English language, right? Because you know what happens, like when we are beginners, so we really want to speak English language anyhow, right? But whenever we try to speak, we just we stuck, we face problems, we are unable to speak English language. And it happens to many people, you know, with me as well. Most of the times when I used to try speak English language in my beginning days, and now as well, as you are aware about it, how many times I'm taking pauses while speaking English language, just because of you know wrong methods, because I used to use wrong methods, and that's why today I am just facing problems. But now I am just improving my English language every single day I'm speaking. So yeah, now let me tell you actually what is the right method and how can you improve your English language, how can you you know achieve your fluency. Okay, so if you are a beginner, so first of all, don't try to speak about very difficult you know topics. Don't try to speak very difficult sentences. Just start from very useful, very simple sentences. Like for example, if you are unable to speak anything, any topic, about any topic, so just try to speak about yourself. Try to speak about your you know we can say your introduction, try to introduce yourself. First of all, just whenever you try to speak English language, like for example, now you are going to speak English language, right? So if you introduce yourself first of all, and you should record your voice as well in your initial days. Just introduce yourself and just record your voice as well, how long you can speak without taking break. Okay, and how many things you can speak without facing problems, without thinking in your mind so much, without thinking so much, you know. Just try to speak in this way. Try to just introduce yourself every single day, and just try to include some of the things as well, like your habits, your daily routine, your hobbies. Getting the point? And just try to record your voice, and every single day check, listen that voice every single day, how long time you can speak without taking break, and how good you are speaking. Okay, and in this way you can check, you can understand that what is my level and how I'm improving every single day. Just try to listen that voice every single day, how long you can speak without taking break. Getting the point? In this way you can check your fluency level. In this way you can check how good you are speaking. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you, because I don't have so much time today, and I don't have so many words to say as well. So thank you for watching.